Hi, welcome to TunesKit. In this video, we'll show you 3 solutions for how to factory reset an iPad without Apple ID. Let's get started. Method 1. We will show you how to factory reset iPad without computer. On your iPad, go to Settings to find General. Slide to the bottom to tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Next, select Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue to enter your screen passcode. Then it will ask for your Apple ID password. If you remember the password, you just need to enter it and the dialog will pop up. Tap on Erase iPad. If you don't remember, please check the next 2 method. Method 2. Factory reset iPad without passcode by iTunes. By using iTunes, the content will be erased, so you need to back up your data before restore. Step 1. Connect iPad with iTunes. Step 2. Click on the little iPad icon. Step 3. Tap the Restore iPad option and follow the on-screen instruction to factory reset iPad. If your iPad has not synced with iTunes, then try the following steps to put iPad into recovery mode. Step 1. Connect your iPad to the computer. Press the top button for a few seconds until the Slide to Power Off appears. Drag the slider to turn off iPad. Step 2. Next, keep pressing the Home and Top buttons simultaneously until you see the recovery mode show on the screen. Step 3. When iTunes detects your iPad, a new window will pop up and ask you to update or restore the device. Click the Restore option to restore your iPad. Then iTunes will download firmware and erase your iPad. You just need to wait for a while. Method 3. Factory reset iPad without passcode by using TunesKit iOS system recovery without data loss. It can fix 150 plus iOS problems and get your device back to normal without data loss. You can download it in the description below. Once downloaded, launch it and connect your iPad to your computer. First, you need to put your iPad in recovery mode. Once done, go back and choose iOS System Repair. Then click the Start button. Next, choose the Standard mode. Here you can see the Standard mode won't cause any data loss and ensure the device has enough power. Then click the Next button. Next, ensure the given information is corresponding to your device. Then download the firmware package. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS system recovery will start to fix your iPad. Just make sure the device is connected to the computer and wait several minutes. Your device will be fixed. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.